Okay, I'm going to show you how to get started with your budget spreadsheet. First of all, once you've clicked the link, you've got this blank skeleton or a template going on here. And the very first thing you want to do is just right here in this very top cell, which is cell B1, if you'll notice, that's the only place in this entire thing that you're going to actually type a number. Every other place, every other cell in here, you're going to actually type an equation and let the spreadsheet do math for you. So right here, you're going to type your number now. You're going to calculate what that number is. This is not the number you're going to type there. You're going to calculate it based on what the activity said with your gross pay for the month. So once you've calculated that number in your activity, you're going to type that there. And then, like I said, every other thing is going to be an equation. So you're not actually going to type a number here for your taxes. You're going to do a percentage of your gross monthly pay, like the activity told you to do. So right here, when I click in cell B2, I'm not going to type a number. I'm going to type the equal sign to tell the computer that you're going to start doing some math. And then if you're going to do whatever your percentage is, if you want 25%, the only weird thing is instead of 25%, you're going to say 0.25. You need to enter it as a decimal. And then your times is your asterisk, which is on the 8 key, Shift 8. And then I want you to tell the computer what box to look at, what number you want to multiply by. So you're not actually going to type this number, this gross monthly pay. You're going to type his cell, and you're going to call him by his name. He is in B1, so you're going to say type in B1. So that's a little weird. The 0.25 is actually a number. The B1 is the name of the cell you want to look at, and enter. Now, a lot of you are like, why not? Well, that seems complicated. Why didn't I just type in my gross monthly pay? That's amazing, because now if you change your gross monthly pay, if you get a raise, then the math will change with it. So make sure you put the correct gross monthly pay here. Make sure you do your percentage as a decimal, times, and then the name of the cell that has the number that you want to multiply by. And you'll be ready to go.